Hello and welcome. Settle in, get comfortable, and take a deep breath. You've found a quiet space, a lecture for sleep. Tonight, we leave the busy world behind and embark on a gentle journey into a mysterious forest. Imagine the path ahead, soft with moss and fallen leaves, dappled with the gentle silvery light of the moon filtering through a dense canopy of ancient trees. There's no need to rush, no destination to strive for. We are simply here to wander, to listen, and to let go. With each step we take in our minds, we'll shed the worries of the day, allowing the tranquility of the woods to guide us toward a deep and restorative rest. As we venture deeper, notice the air around you. It's cool and clean, carrying the rich, earthy scent of damp soil, pine needles, and the faint, sweet perfume of night-blooming flowers hidden in the undergrowth. The sounds of the day have faded, replaced by the hushed symphony of the forest at night. Listen closely. Can you hear the gentle rustle of leaves as a soft breeze whispers through the branches? It's a lullaby sung by the trees themselves, a timeless melody of peace. Far in the distance, a lone owl calls out, its voice a soft, soothing echo that adds to the mystery and serenity of this enchanted place. These sounds aren't distractions. They are anchors to the present moment, pulling your awareness away from racing thoughts and into the peaceful reality of this forest. Let's pause our walk for a moment by a small, hidden clearing. In the center, a stream trickles over smooth gray stones. The water is crystal clear, reflecting the starlight like 1,000 tiny diamonds. The sound of the flowing water is constant and calming, a gentle rhythm that washes away any remaining tension. Imagine dipping your fingers into the cool stream. Feel the purity of the water, its gentle energy flowing through you, cleansing and calming your mind. This stream represents the continuous flow of time, but here in the forest we are not rushed by it. We are simply part of its gentle, unending journey. As you listen to the water's soft music, feel your own internal rhythm begin to slow, matching the peaceful pace of the forest. Your breathing becomes deeper, more regular. Your heartbeat slows, finding a calm and steady cadence. Now look up through the canopy. The leaves of the towering trees form intricate patterns against the dark, velvety sky. Gaps in the foliage reveal a breathtaking view of the cosmos. Stars glitter with a brilliance you can only see far from the city's glow. A crescent moon hangs like a gentle smile, its light casting long, soft shadows that dance and sway with the breeze. There's a profound sense of stillness and wonder here. The universe feels both immense and intimately close. As you gaze at the stars, consider their age, their silent journey through eons. It puts our own concerns into perspective, making them feel smaller, more manageable. Let the vastness of the night sky cradle your consciousness, allowing you to feel safe and held. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to solve right now. Your only task is to be present, to breathe, and to allow sleep to find you. Let's find a comfortable spot to rest within this clearing. Perhaps there's a patch of moss as soft and thick as a velvet cushion, nestled at the base of a great wise oak tree. As you lie down in your imagination, feel the solid, steady support of the earth beneath you. The ground holds you completely, taking on your weight, allowing every muscle in your body to release and soften. Feel the tension melting away from your toes and feet, up through your legs. Let your hips sink into the ground, releasing your lower back. Your stomach softens, your chest opens, and your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel the relaxation spread down your arms to your fingertips. Your neck and jaw release, and all the tiny muscles around your eyes and in your forehead smooth out. You are completely supported, completely at ease, as you rest here, enveloped by the forest's embrace. Let your focus drift. Maybe you notice the intricate patterns on a fern frond, unfurling in a perfect spiral. Or perhaps you see a family of fireflies beginning to stir, their gentle, blinking lights adding a touch of magic to the twilight. They pulse in a slow, hypnotic rhythm, like tiny floating lanterns guiding you toward dreams. Don't try to hold on to any single thought or image. Let them drift by like clouds in the night sky. If a worry or a stray thought enters your mind, simply acknowledge it without judgment. and then gently guide your attention back to the sounds of the stream, the scent of the pine, or the soft light of the fireflies. This is a space of non-doing, of pure being. You are safe here. Your breathing is now slow and effortless. With each inhalation, you draw in the calming, healing energy of the forest. And with each exhalation, you release everything you no longer need to carry. Breathe in peace. Breathe out tension. Breathe in serenity. Breathe out worry. Feel your body growing heavier, sinking more deeply into a state of profound relaxation. Your mind, once a busy landscape of thoughts, is becoming quiet and still, like the surface of a forest pond at midnight. The boundary between your imagined journey and the path to sleep is dissolving. The gentle sounds of the forest are becoming the soundtrack to your dreams. The rustling leaves, the trickling water, the distant owl. They are all here to cradle you as you drift off. The mysterious forest has shared its peace with you. It has wrapped you in a blanket of tranquility, quieting your mind and soothing your body. There is nothing left to do but surrender to this feeling of deep, heavy comfort. Allow the gentle currents of sleep to pull you under. The moon will stand guard, the trees will watch over you, and the stream will sing you a lullaby until morning. You are ready to rest, ready to sleep. Let go now. Drift away on the gentle rhythm of your own breath, into the deep restorative peace that awaits you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope it brings you the rest you deserve. If you've enjoyed this time together, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more peaceful sleep lectures. Sweet dreams.